Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're talking about a game changer for all you riding lawn mower owners out there, the Mowers HDL 500 Hydraulic Lift Jack. If you own a riding mower, this is a must-have accessory for your maintenance and repair needs. Let's dive right into why the Mowers HDL 500 stands out as the best riding mower accessory. First and foremost, it's designed to make your life easier when it comes to maintaining and repairing your lawn mower. The Mowers HDL 500 boasts a heavy-duty hydraulic lift system made from highly durable steel, offering a remarkable front load capacity of up to 500 pounds. This means it can handle zero-turn radius lawn mowers and small equipment with ease. No more struggling to lift your mower manually. Safety is a top priority, and the Mowers HDL 500 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a multi-level braking system, ensuring that your mower stays securely in place while you work. Adjustability is key when it comes to a versatile tool like this. The Mowers HDL 500 offers a lifting height ranging from a minimum of 17.5 inches to a maximum of 24 inches. The wheel span can be adjusted from 18.5 inches to 47.5 inches, providing maximum flexibility for different equipment. One of the most significant advantages of the Mowers HDL 500 is how it speeds up your maintenance tasks. You can easily clean under the mower cutting deck, sharpen or change blades without having to remove the mower deck. Plus, it comes with 3 built-in safety stops at 12, 18, and 24 inches. Our customers love how easy it is to use the Mowers HDL 500. It requires no assembly, and it operates with a manual power system, making it accessible for everyone. Now, let's hear from some of our satisfied customers who've shared their experiences with the Mowers HDL 500. Here's an exclusive offer for Amazon Prime members. You can get the Mowers HDL 500 for just $271.99 during this Black Friday deal, down from its typical price of $339.99. In summary, the Mowers HDL 500 Hydraulic Lift Jack is a game-changer for anyone who owns a riding lawn mower. It's safe, efficient, and a real-time saver for all your maintenance and repair needs. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Head over to Amazon and grab your Mowers HDL 500 Hydraulic Lift Jack today. Make your life easier and keep your lawn mower in top shape with this incredible accessory.